So we've got this one door on the RV that is discolored. We're going to try and fix it. We've tried before, not successfully. We're going to try again if he can open the bottle. So this is what it is. This one just is not opened yet. But this is what we're going to use on that door. Today is maintenance day on the trailer. We've already cleaned the storage bays. Now we're going to work on the door, and then we're going to go inside the trailer. Now we're going to let it sit for a little bit, dry just a little bit, and then we'll wipe it off and see what we got. Probably have to do it a few times, I would think. Okay, now we are moving on to the inside of the trailer. Need to go through all our cupboards. This is our yearly get everything out that we don't use currently, clean out so that it's ready for more fun. Looks like it weathered well for the winter. We didn't really use it. We've been busy doing other things, but looks like it did good. When you get in these things, always make sure you check for leaks. Looks like it did really well. Checking the roof, got a couple seals we need to reseal. He already checked the axles and put some more grease in there. So those are good to go. It didn't need much, but needed a little bit. Got a little bit of shine going on this now. It's still not perfect, but it's better. We're going to put another coat or two on it. Here's some of the stuff we took out. We got our old Keurig coffee maker. I got a new one that's tiny. I think it'll be better. It weighs a lot less. Expired Tums. Miniature soap bars? I mean, why? I don't know, but they're out. Nightlight? Don't know. It's out. Yeah, a whole roll of this don't slip around stuff. Don't need that out there either. Metal wine glasses. They're out. What else? We had stuff in here still from when we used to cook in the trailer with the Blackstone. That stuff's out now. Not a lot of extra weight, but definitely extra weight. Slippers we don't wear. Why are they in the trailer? I don't know, but they're out. This is why we go through it once a year, minimum. Sometimes we go through it twice a year, but definitely once a year go through your RV because you're carrying around extra weight. You don't need to. Well, that door came out pretty good. Looks pretty good. There are quite a few spots on the roof that he needed to reseal, so he's doing that now. Found a caterpillar. It was on one of our wheel chocks on the travel trailer. He's stunned right now because my husband picked him up. He didn't know what it was. But he's alive. Quit messing with the poor thing. He's playing dead. He's definitely alive though.